Hey there guys, this is Ishak from Shaqtech here, bringing you another video. This is going to be a quick video, a troubleshooting video here. Recently I've also been noticing a lot of people have been having this due to Twitch changing their authentication methods recently. When you go live on Streamlabs OBS or OBS itself, I have this on both clients, there is an issue with connecting to Twitch. As you can see, there was an error fetching your channel information. You try that. If there was, try to log back in. Now, the most likely reason why you're getting it now is if you didn't have it before and everything was working prior to this, is because you haven't enabled two-factor authentication on your Twitch account. Now, Twitch has recently been they've enforced it that you have to have two-factor authentication in order to grab the stream key, which is required to connect between Streamlabs and OBS and Streamlabs to connect with Twitch in order for you to stream. So in order to, first of all, see where to get your key and activate two-factor authentication, we'll go to your Twitch account. So if you open up Twitch in your browser, go to your creator dashboard, and then in your creator dashboard go to the channel settings, and then you'll notice here at the top, please enable two-factor authentication to obtain your stream key. Now if you see that, that means your Streamlabs OBS and OBS are not being or any of your other streaming platforms are not being able to grab that stream key for Twitch in order to connect. So for us to obtain it, you're gonna have to do two-factor authentication. Now, to prove that this actually works, I'll go through the process of enabling two-factor authentication. So as you can see, after clicking two-factor authentication, all you have to do is simply enter in your number. Of course, if you don't have your own mobile phone, maybe use your caregiver's mobile phone or whatnot if you don't have a mobile phone at the moment. All this is going to do is send you a code via text message in order to authentify yourself, authenticate that it's you that's logging into the Twitch account. Okay, so now we've received a verification code from Twitch via text. I will enter that in. Cool. As simple as that, two-factor authentication is now enabled. They say you can download some authentication app as well to cut down on text messages, so that may be another viable option. Done. Cool. So now if we go back to that page, not settings, my bad. We go back to our creator dashboard, channel, and there you go. You have your primary stream key. So now if I copy that, and if I was to go into the Streamlabs OBS, exit out of this, cancel that, log out, log back in using Twitch. Cool. Let me just log in. And now it will ask for a token. I'm going to say remember this computer for 30 days. And request an SMS. What do I need to do? There we go. We got a new token here. Verify the token. Allow, authorize. So now it should be connecting, login into tab. Continue. So now I'm here. So now if I go to my live, now if I go live, in theory this should work. I should have my stream info in here. So as you can see, we don't have the error as we had previously. Yes, look, this looks much better. Now we have the option to set a title here. So I'm just going to say testing stream, and I'm just going to say, or maybe I'll just say we back. Selected option, nothing really. This is just a test. Confirm and go live. As you can see, we're starting and we're live. So now I'll just end stream because we don't actually want to go live right now. Dismiss that. So now we're offline. So hopefully that makes sense to you. If you were having the same issue as I was having and seeing that error pop up, or you weren't connecting to Twitch, literally you just need to activate two-factor authentication in order to grab that Streamlabs key, and then it should work as long as seen by this example. If you have any further questions or need any help with OBS, Streamlabs OBS, leave a comment down below. I might try and hop in and try and help you guys out. And yeah, as always, thank you for watching. I'm One, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.